Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create architectural plan dimensions using the Architectural Plan Dimensioning command in BIMLOGIQ Copilot. Start by selecting what you want to dimension. You can choose the overall size of the building, grid spacing, or external openings, or combine them for comprehensive documentation. Next, choose the dimension type. This ensures that your dimensions follow the correct style for your project standards. Now click Run button, and BIMLOGIQ will automatically generate clean and accurate dimensions across your architectural plan. Here, the overall size of the building and grid spacing dimensions have been created. Let's try the external openings dimension option. Let's click the Run button and see the result. Here, our external opening dimensions have been created. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with BIMLOGIQ.